The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to draw plays, drills, and exercises in GoArmy Edge Soccer. The video will cover creating a playbook in play, arranging players, drawing player movement, changing possession, shooting, and set pieces. Log in with your email and password. Select your team from the list, and then view playbooks. If this is your initial attempt at drawing plays, you'll need to create a new playbook or copy the example playbook we've provided. Give it a new name, hit copy, and it will appear in your list of playbooks. The plays inside the copy are then editable, and new plays can also be added. To create a new playbook, select Add New in the upper right. Enter the name for the playbook, and select the size of your field. Plays can be shared between playbooks as long as the field size is the same for both. Our example playbooks have a field that is 100 by 120 yards. When complete, the new playbook will appear in the list. Select the playbook you want to open, then select Plays from the next menu. Click Add New and enter a name for the play, but don't save yet. The initial step is getting some players on the field. There are also items to use when setting up drills and exercises if needed. The first player you bring out has the ball, indicated by a blue dot. To change who has the ball when play starts, choose another player and select Player Possession, then Possession at Feet. You can have any number of players on the field and are able to add and remove players at any point. To remove a player, select them and choose Remove Player. Continue adding players until you have all that are needed to illustrate your concept. To reuse the same configuration again, save now and exit editing. Make a copy of the play to use as a starting point for later versions. To continue, select the play and hit Edit to reopen. All players start facing the ball. Now is the time to change their starting position and orientation if needed. Default settings for player movement and speed can be set now or customized for each player as you go. To draw a path, select Player Movement, select a player, and drag a path. If you're not happy with a path, draw it again. When you have a motion path you like, you can change movement options by selecting the player first, then their path. A menu will appear over the line to set player speed. The speed of a player affects the duration of the play. When the setting for walk is changed to sprint, the duration changes from 24 seconds to about 7 seconds. With the path selected, choose the right context menu to change player movement type. The type of movement selected also changes which direction the player is facing. Add more segments to a player's path with different speeds and movement types by selecting the square at the end of the path, drawing the segment, and setting its properties. Use Preview Play to check progress as you go. To stagger player start times, drag the playhead to the point you want the player to start their motion, and then draw their path. Make a player stand still by drawing a path, advancing the playhead, and drawing another path. Once all paths are drawn, save the play. To change possession, select Edit again. Choose Ball Movement from the left menu. Drag a line from the player with the ball to a point on the receiving player's path. You can also drag from a player's path to the receiving player's path. After the pass has been completed, you will automatically be put into possession 2. You can continue to add possessions or go back to any earlier possession and adjust the receive location, ball curve, or delete the pass and try again. If you delete a pass, all subsequent passes are deleted, but player motion paths are unchanged. When you're happy with all the possessions, save the play. Shooting is drawn the same as a pass, but with different targeting options. To draw a shot, draw a change of possession as if it were a pass into the opposing goal, which will be highlighted blue. If you draw the shot through the goalkeeper's shaded box, they will attempt to block the shot and miss. If you draw the shot to the goalkeeper's shaded box, they will intercept the shot. To adjust the curve, select the shot line, then choose between straight and curved right or left. To draw a set-piece play, arrange your players on the field, select Player Movement from the left menu, then select the player with the ball and player possession. By default, it will be set to possession at feet. Select Set Piece instead and hit Save on that menu. An icon will be added around the player possessing the ball to indicate a set piece. In this mode, no motion path can be drawn for the set piece player. Draw motion paths for the other players, add a possession change, and a shot on goal. If you need help, please contact us at support@GoArmyEdge.com. And also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter to get tips on a regular basis.